So for those of you who are unfamiliar with CursorChat, this is a feature designed by Figma, and it allows quick communication between collaborators. So first of all, we're going to fork this Vercel/commerce repo into our own GitHub account. And then we will go to code and git clone this repo to our local environment. Alright, and then if we type npm run dev, we're supposed to see a copy of this Vercel commerce page. So after we downloaded Vercel commerce, let's go to yoml/react CursorChat and install it into our folder. Then we will follow the instructions in the README file for yoml/react CursorChat. So first of all, we're going to get an app ID and an app secret. Then we will be adding these tokens into our local environment file. For the next step, we will import this CursorChat component into our index page. So if you go to pages/index, this is where we want to add this component. So first of all, we want to import CursorChat from YOML, and then we will be adding this CursorChat component to the app function. For the next step, we're going to be adding a new file called auth.js into our API folder. And then we will be copying this block of code into this file. And now if you do npm run dev again and go to Google Chrome, you should be able to see the cursor. And for the last step, which is completely optional, we can add a show latency feature to our CursorChat. All you have to do is set show latency to true and recompile your code. And then if you refresh the page, you should be able to see the latency. Another thing you can try is open two separate pages. And if you type a message on one side, you should be able to see the same message on the other side. And these two pages should be almost synchronous with each other. So that's all about UMO CursorChat. If you have any questions, you can always refer to this README file.